2023-24 midterm exam biology important and fixed questions. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. 1. Explain the structure of pollen grain, male gametophyte. 2. Explain the transverse section of young anther with a labeled diagram. 3. Describe the structure of mature embryo sac. Human reproduction. 1. Draw a neat labeled diagram of the sectional view of human mammary gland. 2. Draw a labeled diagram of human male reproductive system. 3. Draw a labeled diagram of sectional view of female reproductive system. 4. Draw a neat labeled diagram of human sperm. 5. What is spermatogenesis? Explain the process of spermatogenesis, oogenesis. Reproductive health. 1. Write a note on natural methods of birth control. 2. List any 3 reasons for population explosion. 3. Explain contraceptive methods. 4. Water arts. Explain 1. IVF-ET. 2. ZIFT. 3. ICSI. 4. AI, gift. 5. What are the features of an ideal contraceptive? Molecular basis of inheritance. 1. Describe lac operon concept of gene regulation. 2. Explain any 5 features of genetic code. 3. Mention the steps involved in DNA fingerprinting. OR. What are ventures? Mention the steps to detect ventures in identifying criminals. Forensic investigation. 4. List any 5 silent features of Human Genome Project. 3 important experiments for 5 marks. 1. Meselson install. 2. Griffith's transforming principle. 3. Hershey Chase. 2 or 3 marks question in this chapter. 1. Differentiate euchromatin from heterochromatin. 2. Write the schematic structure of transcription unit. Evolution. 1. Sketch and label Miller's experiment. 2. Differentiate homologous organs and analogous organs. 3. Define adaptive radiation. Give 2 examples. 4. State Hardy-Weinberg principle. Mention any 4 factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Human health and diseases. 1. Measures taken to control alcohol and drug abuse in adolescents. OR. Explain the prevention and control of drug and alcohol abuse. 2. Give the schematic representation of the replication of retrovirus HIV life cycle. Principle and inheritance. 1. State the law of independent assortment. Write the schematic representation of dihybrid cross inheritance of 2 genesis. OR. Explain the law of independent assortment with the reference to seed shape and seed color in garden pea plant. OR. In Mendel's experiment, when 2 pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid segregation of 1 pair of characters. Justify this by representing schematically the 2 gene inheritance. 2. Explain Mendel's experiment to describe inheritance of 1 gene, with reference to height of pea plant. OR. Write the schematic representation of 1 gene inheritance in Pisum sativum. 3. What is incomplete dominance? Explain inheritance of flower color in Snapdragon.